shocking as it may seem, studies reveal that sit-ups can boost your core strength by an impressive 60%. A simple workout, but it's in developing that robust core. Before you get started on a flurry of sit-ups, pause. The vital phrase here is, when correctly. Regrettably, it's all too common for us to make mistakes that decrease the potential benefits of sit-ups and pose risk of injury. Unfortunately, many of us are guilty of making common mistakes that not only reduce the effectiveness of sit-ups, but can also lead to unnecessary strain and injury. A common mistake you'll find is the act of tugging at your neck during workouts. You might be led to believe that you're exerting more effort, but the truth of the matter is, it's your arms that are doing all the heavy lifting, not your abdominal muscles. Instead, a better approach would be to cross your arms over your chest or place your hands on your thighs. This technique will assist in engaging your abs properly and at the same time safeguard your neck from potential injury. Another slip-up people often make is relying on momentum to fuel their movements instead of activating their muscles. If you find yourself swinging your body in a back-and-forth motion, it's a clear-cut indication that you're not targeting the right muscle groups. Winning in this scenario isn't about speed, it's about consistency and control. Take your time to rise and fall. Concentrate on the contraction and subsequent release of your core muscles. And who could gloss over the importance of proper breathing? Have you ever found yourself inadvertently holding your breath while doing sit-ups? It's a common misstep. Always remember to exhale as you lift your body and inhale as you lower it. Now, you might be wondering, well, why should I bother with sit-ups? Sit-ups are a valuable exercise with manifold benefits. They target your core muscles, strengthening them and helping to define your abs. More than just a vanity workout, sit-ups have practical benefits too. They can greatly enhance your posture, making you stand taller and more confident. They also increase your flexibility, making your movements more fluid and reducing the risk of strains and sprains. Surprisingly, UPS can also help alleviate back pain by strengthening the muscles that support the spine. One of the best things about sit-ups is that they require no special equipment or gym membership. You can perform them in your own home, at a time convenient to you. The key is to start with a manageable target, say 10 a day, and increase the count gradually as your strength builds. Not to obsess over the number of sit-ups you can do, but focus instead on correct form. Prioritizing quality over quantity ensures you reap the full benefits of the exercise. Ultimately, sit-ups are about making a tangible, day-to-day commitment to improving your health and fitness. So go get started. Your core will thank you.